them out here. I like this one a lot. What a nice statue.
Oh, it's not cold.
Penguin Trek. Seaworld Orlando. It wasn't super thrilling, but that's okay. What a wonderful family edition for Seaworld Orlando. Wow. 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 What is this one doing? They're talking. They trap you in the cold.
I'm so cold.
Just to ride this.
I'm so cold.
No. As we're walking out through the penguin exhibit, it smells like fish and it's cold. There's no rule saying that you can't jump up here with me. No rule.